Boxing Day 2013. If someone had told me I'd get into my friend's car and there'd be a girl in the front seat and that person would end up being the love of my life, I would say, well, must be nice. Must be nice. Well, here we are today. It's been almost more than 10 years and can confirm, very nice. Very nice.
I took a page out your picture book. It taught me things that I'd always took for granted.
I like to think of life as, a bunch of stories. And I'm so happy that 10 years ago we were introduced and our stories intertwined.
To have done mine in a different ink, I'd write again with the way you think, and I like it. I'm better this way, open-minded. I see my time.
And I made a point to tell you my honest thoughts of you on that first day. And those thoughts were, you're really annoying, and also I don't like you.
Turn it around.
I'm leaving lost lessons to learn from my blessings again. 'Cause I still got time to live and let be, fueled by this energy.
As a parent, you wish your children's happiness, that they will choose a partner in life who will make them happy, that they will love and support each other and build a wonderful life together. I think both Eric and Alyssa have chosen well.
And then 8 months later, you're visiting me here in Vancouver, and the rest is history. And since then, I really love the story that we've written here together.
It's a privilege now to be able to pronounce you husband and wife. Eric, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
You allow each other to be your true, authentic selves. And that permeates through the rest of us. You are truly a fabulous duo that we love to be around.
Still getting used to feeling this way.
Marriage is a new bud that you need to nurture. So feed it with plenty of good food and wine, sunlight and water.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Alyssa and Eric's special day.
You still my son, my good son. But at the meantime, I'm happy to have my beautiful daughter-in-law, Alyssa. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an incredible privilege to introduce Eric and Alyssa as husband and wife.